Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made a video 30 minutes ago helping somebody do this right here and selecting that node. And I'm going to use my right arrow key, which is right there, to nudge it over. He's saying his doesn't work. Well, right on a standard normal keyboard, I'm not going to say all of them, there's a number lock. So I'm going to unlock my number lock. And now I'm going to use the 6, which is the right arrow key, and it does the same thing. This would be a major pain because anytime you want to type in a number, you have to lock the number back. But these should be your right click, your left click, your up, your down. Same thing here, up, down, right, left. But I almost guarantee, I'm going to look into this further and see if there's uh, if this could be turned off somehow. You can see that this is actually a function key that this could be paged down when you hold down one of the control keys, probably the control key itself. But give that a try. You've got to be able to nudge. He says this nudge doesn't work. And just a little bit of insight. Let's say if you wanted to make an arrow out of this while we're just doing this, take these two and right click and add a node. That is right in the middle. You can actually take that one away, but you could take that one right there and nudge it and you have a sharp point. And you can do that anywhere with anything at any time. Anyway, hope that helped. And I'll still look around for the one I'm trying to help. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.